Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim has condemned an incident in which a non-Muslim was slapped for eating in public in the daytime during Ramadan. In a message relayed by his senior press secretary, Tunku Nashrul Abaidah, he said such aggressions must be stopped immediately.
Saya mulakan taklimat pada hari ini dengan pesanan dan teguran daripada Yang Amat Berhormat Perdana Menteri terkait insiden seorang pemuda bukan Islam ditampar kerana makan di khalayak ramai baru-baru ini. Sebarang tindakan seperti ini atau seumpama dengannya perlu dihentikan semata-mata kerana ia bertentangan dengan semangat perpaduan dan keharmonian negara. Apa gunanya kita bicara soal Islam serta keindahannya, terutama di bulan Ramadan, sekiranya ia tidak membina kekuatan dalaman dan menjauhkan kita dari sikap yang bengis dan mengancam keamanan dan kerukunan. Yang Amat Berhormat PM juga percaya isu yang menyentuh sensitiviti kaum, agama dan bangsa ini boleh dielak jika semua pihak patuh dan komited mengamalkan prinsip hormat menghormati antara satu sama lain bagi membina sebuah negara yang bertamadun.
A 65-year-old man has claimed trial at the Johor Bahru Magistrate's Court for slapping a non-Muslim for eating at a convenience store in the daytime during Ramadan. Abdul Razak Ismail pleaded not guilty after the charge was read out to him before Magistrate A Shaarmini. The prosecution informed the court that they had received new instructions from the State Prosecution Director to proceed with the charge against the accused due to a technical issue that arose this morning. According to the amended charge, Abdul Razak is accused of voluntarily causing hurt to the 21-year-old victim at a convenience store inside a shopping mall in Johor Bahru. He was charged under Section 323 of the Penal Code. Earlier today, in a separate proceeding, Abdul Razak was granted a discharge not amounting to an acquittal in the case. This came after the prosecution informed the court that it had been instructed to refer the case to the Attorney General's chambers. In a statement later, the AGC said there were technical issues regarding the charges filed, and the man would be recharged again this afternoon. Past President Abdul Hadi Awang has hit out at DAP over its suggestion to limit the Prime Minister's term to 10 years. In a post on Facebook, Hadi said that it goes against God's will. Hadi said that those who support the idea had forgotten or chosen to ignore the fundamental principles crucial to achieving success in this world and the hereafter. The Islamic principles must guide the nation's leadership. He said this is as the responsibility to lead is a great trust from Allah. According to Hadi, it is not a temporary position for one person to enjoy and then be passed on to another to take advantage of. Hadi added that the affairs of the Muslim community can only be undertaken by those who profess the religion and meet the necessary qualifications. He said if a leader carries out an act of betrayal that forfeits the qualifications, his duties must be terminated. On Sunday, DAP Secretary General Anthony Loke suggested that the government implement several promised reforms which have yet to be fulfilled, including limiting a Prime Minister's term in office and the separation of judicial powers. Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim had agreed with the proposal. The Sabah government has denied allegations raised by a lawsuit filed against it recently, which had claimed that Sabah Chief Minister Haji Jinor and the state administration had abused their powers over a logging license issue. Sabah Attorney General Brendan Keith said the claims were baseless given the ongoing legal proceedings between the parties. He assured that the government would present a comprehensive defense. According to Borneo Vox, he said they will vigorously resist these claims and will not allow these unfounded allegations to proceed unchallenged. He also confirmed that the government had received a writ of summons on March 17th from the law firms representing the plaintiffs. Meanwhile, the plaintiff's lawyer, Chin Teng Ming, said the suit was filed on behalf of the Sabah Forest Industries and Narendra Kumar Chunilal Ruknas in their respective capacities as receiver and manager. Chin said the main allegation raised in this case is that the Chief Minister had committed abuse of power and misappropriation, which led to the cancellation of the first plaintiff's logging license contract and the allocation of the logging area, which rightfully belonged to the first plaintiff, to 3 other companies as stated in the statement of claim. Home Minister Saifuddin Nasution Ismail has denied that the government granted citizenship to controversial preacher Zakir Naik. This was in response to claims on social media that Zakir, a permanent resident in Malaysia, has been granted citizenship. He was quoted by Free Malaysia Today as saying that it is a fake post which was made more than 6 years ago. He said this in response to an image showing Zakir receiving an honorary title from former Perkasa President Ibrahim Ali. The post was widely shared online not long after Saifuddin confirmed in the Dewan Rakyat that the police ban against Zakir from giving ceramah was no longer in effect, and the Indian national holds an official credential to teach Islam in Perlis. According to FMT, Ibrahim Ali had also dismissed the claim, stressing that it is absolute slander and is aimed at misleading Malaysians and provoking them for political reasons. Ibrahim reportedly said that Zakir had told him that he does not want citizenship here and is waiting for the right time for everything to be settled before he returns to India. Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim said he was puzzled by some Muslims who observe fasting during Ramadan but could still steal from the people. Without naming anyone, Anwar questioned how they can have no integrity at work, clock in but not follow the schedule, and how they can steal. He was quoted by the New Straits Times yesterday as asking how they can stash money in safe houses and still fast, as well as asking where was the integrity in that. While Anwar did not name anyone, his remarks appeared to be a jab at former Prime Minister Ismail Sabri Yaakob, who is under MACC investigation over corruption and money laundering. Previously, the MACC had confiscated about 170 million ringgit in various currencies from the homes and safe houses of 4 former aides to Ismail Sabri. On March 3rd, MACC Chief Commissioner Azam Baki confirmed that Ismail Sabri was a suspect in their investigation into the case. The case is linked to the government spending on the Keluarga Malaysia promotional campaign. Third, MACC Chief Commissioner Azam Baki confirmed that Ismail Sabri was a suspect in their investigation into the case. The case is linked to the government spending on the Keluarga Malaysia promotional campaign.